Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this media is no longer available on Messenger. If you're using Facebook Messenger and you're facing this type issue that whenever you open any media file, it might be any photo or video, you see a message that this media is no longer available. So let's see some possible fixes about that. So the very first thing, you have to go back and you have to check your network connection, that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. You can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your app store here, go for search for Messenger app, and you have to try to update your app. If you find any pending updates for your Messenger app here, you have to try to updating your app, and after updating, go back from here and retry to open your Messenger app or media file and to check that your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so it might be that the sender has been deleted that media file or your app must be full of cache. So the very first thing you can try, you have to open your settings app, go for general, go for icon storage here and look for Messenger app. You have to try to offload your app. So here tap on offload app option and tap on offload app again. It will offload your app and it will clear all the cache files of your app. So you have to clear cache files if you're on your Android phone. And after clearing the cache files, you have to retry to close all of your apps and relaunch your Messenger app and open a check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, it might be the person has been deleted that photo or that media file, so you're unable to see that. Or otherwise, you can also try to report a problem to your Messenger apps. Open your Messenger app here, tap on the menu option in the bottom right corner, then tap on settings option here, and here just look for report a problem option, then select report anyway, then select don't include. If you want to, you can select include here. And after that, you have to add your taken screenshot here, and after adding your screenshot, you have to briefly explain your issue that your media file is no longer available. So how can you fix that? Or something like that. You have to send it to your messenger support team, and after that you will get response, or they can fix your issue by themselves. And after that you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.